5 ways to preventing musty smell on your sofa. Today, we're tackling an issue that many of us have encountered: musty smells on our sofas. A musty smell can make your sofa unpleasant to use and ruin the overall ambience of your living space. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 effective ways to prevent that musty smell on your sofa. 1. Regular cleaning. One of the best ways to prevent a musty smell is through regular cleaning. Vacuum your sofa regularly to remove dirt, dust, and debris that can contribute to odors. For fabric sofas, check the manufacturer's instructions and use appropriate cleaning products to tackle stains and spills. 2. Proper ventilation. Adequate air circulation is crucial in preventing musty odors. Make sure your living space is well ventilated by opening windows, using fans, or utilizing air purifiers. This helps to reduce moisture buildup and keep your sofa smelling fresh. 3. Keep moisture at bay. Moisture is a breeding ground for mold and mildew, leading to musty smells. Avoid placing wet items or damp clothes on your sofa. If you live in a humid environment, consider using a dehumidifier to control moisture levels in your home. 4. Sunlight exposure. Natural sunlight is a powerful ally in eliminating musty odors. Whenever possible, expose your sofa to direct sunlight. UV rays help kill bacteria and eliminate odors. Just be cautious of fading or discoloration, especially for leather sofas. Rotate and position your sofa for even sun exposure. 5. Odor absorbers. Utilize natural odor absorbers to keep your sofa smelling fresh. Place baking soda, activated charcoal, or coffee grounds in a bowl or fabric pouch and position them near your sofa. These substances absorb and neutralize odors effectively. Conclusion: there you have it, 5 simple and effective ways to prevent a musty smell on your sofa. Remember to regularly clean your sofa, ensure proper ventilation, keep moisture at bay, expose your sofa to sunlight, and use odor absorbers. By following these tips, you'll enjoy a fresh-smelling and inviting sofa in your home.